Hi, Lynette Strickland from Wagner Library here. I want to help you today to learn how to find a topic for your speech. The best place to start is on our library website at library.trevecca.edu. We want to use one of our databases called Opposing Viewpoints, so we're going to click on this All Databases link. Here you see an alphabetical listing of all our databases. We're going to narrow that down quickly by going to the subject menu and choosing Communication Studies. And this first one here, this long name, I just call it by the last part, opposing viewpoints. This will actually give you multiple perspectives on some of the hot issues of the day. So here's our database, and I'm going to show you two ways to find a topic. The first is to use this icon over here with the light bulb called Browse Issues. When you do that, you're going to find a long list of all kinds of topics. It's like a seemingly endless list of all kinds of topics here. Um, So you should be able to find something here that interests you or that you can find that kind of springboards you to another topic. But let's take a look at one of these. We're going to go into animal experimentation, and this gives you an overview at the top. And then you see a number of different types of sources here. So journals, viewpoints, and so forth. Notice that on the viewpoints, there are 65 different articles here. The first one, for example, says that replacements must be found for animals in scientific research, while this third one has a different perspective. Medical research involving animals is humane and necessary. So, two different viewpoints. So, it gives you a good overview of a topic. I also wanted to note that if you need a visual aid for your speech, there are images here. We also have infographics. And statistics are also another place where you can find graphs and things that you can use as visual aids. All right, we're going to go back to the beginning to the main page of the database. So again, that was under Browse Issues here, this icon. Another tool I want to show you is called Topic Finder. To get to that, we go to Advanced Search, and we're going to choose Topic Finder. This gives you a visual representation of topics and subtopics. So if you have an idea of something that you're interested in, you can type it in. So let's try service animals. This is going to give you a really cool, colorful representation of some subtopics in this area. So each tile represents a subtopic, and the size indicates how much content is there. So let's go into emotional support animals. And this breaks it down even further. So if we go to travelers, it's going to narrow it down to 8 articles. In any of these that we click on, you can see the full text of the article here. And I also want to point out to you while we're here that there's a couple tools that I highly recommend. One is the Send To tool. Um, you can save it to a drive or email this article to yourself. Always great because it is really a lot harder to remember how you found something when you try and go back and search for it again. We also have a citation tool here. You can choose your citation style and copy and paste this into your paper. Just note that there is a disclaimer here that you do need to double check for accuracy. So that is how you use opposing viewpoints to help you find or narrow down a topic. Again, you use the Browse Issues icon, or you go into Advanced Search and look for the Topic Finder tool. I hope that helps you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.